The world around us is changing for the better. By 2035, only electric and hybrid vehicles will be available for sale. Whilst this transitionary phase may seem difficult at first, it surely represents an opportunity for our sector, especially as we embrace the future of mobility. This means that the landscape for automotive repair is also evolving rapidly. Technicians will need specialised training to master advanced technologies and systems, and paving a way for a new era of automotive service. At Bosch Mobility Aftermarket, we are excited to lead the charge in this area. Our comprehensive apprenticeship programme is designed to give the next generation of technicians the specialised skills they need in order to thrive in this dynamic environment. Each year we train 300 apprentices at 3 training locations in England and Scotland. Our comprehensive programme combines classroom and digital learning, coupled with hands-on experience aimed at giving them the expertise they need to excel in today's automotive landscape. From diagnostics to EV systems, we're committed to nurturing the talent we need to drive our industry forward. But there is more to be done. Reports suggest that we will have a shortfall of 160,000 people by 2031 and a need for an additional 48,000 technicians in the next 10 years. Let's embrace this exciting journey together and build a skilled workforce ready to meet the challenges of tomorrow.